Welcome in second video in Network Fundamentals course. In previous lesson we got overview about networks. Today we will learn about network components. Firstly, endpoint devices. That natural devices that we will connect each of them, and of course should be two or more. And this device is not conditioned to be PCs or laptop only. It can be mobile or iPad, but we will talk about computers. Secondly, we have network media. That means devices to create network must have physical connection to can communicate. Network media can be cables, that mean will be wired, or can be wireless, that mean will be radio frequencies. In network media, we will start with cables that have two types of cables, copper cables or fiber optics. But what is the difference between two types? Copper cables have two types, are coaxial cable and twisted pair cable. Coaxial cable not used often recently, and it is type that used in satellite, dish, and receiver. Again, we don't see this type of cables a lot, but the common used cable is twisted pair cable. It is a cable that comes from the cabin and goes into a router. It has types like Cat5 and Cat5e and Cat6. The difference is in transfer rate. In Cat5 100 megabit per second, in Cat5e 1 gigabit per second, in Cat6 10 gigabit per second. All of the cables have the same shape. That's mean if you saw cable you can't know its type, but difference in materials. And every type of these cables connect an end with RJ45 from transmitter and receiver. This cable maximum distance is 100 meter. More than this, losing data will happen. Suppose we want transfer data to distance more than 100 meter. In this time, we will use fiber optics cable. Transmitter in this cable is light and carry 1 bit, and start reflections even reach receiver. This cable is made of glass, but it is designed in a way that allows it to bend at certain angles without broken or affect the data. First layer is glass core, and this layer have signals and all reflections that we told about. Above it we have glass cladding, over it layer of plastic, above it we have layer called Kevlar fibers. In the end we have layer called outer jacket. Third component we have network interface, and it is very important. We told that computer understand 0 or 1. It is called binary system. Then interface gets its data and convert it into thing that physical media can understand. For example, if our physical media is copper cable, of course it cannot understand 0 or 1, but it can understand electric current. There is role of network interface that gets data from transmitter and convert it into electric signals, and there is another interface in the receiver that converts electric signals into binary system and this data transfer process. It is the same if it is fiber optics cable. Interface change 0 and 1 to light signals, but if it's wireless, of course change it to radio frequencies. Of course, network have another components, like router or switch. We'll explain those in future also, but those not from essential elements. Of course, simply we can create network without those.